Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I'm Farhan from Pakistan. I embarked on my Quran teaching journey inspired by a deep love for the Book of Allah and desire to help the other to connect with its divine message. I done my Quran memorization in 2010, and since then I have been teaching the Holy Quran to the students of all ages and backgrounds. With my bachelor degree in computer sciences and solid training in Islamic studies, I blend the modern educational tools with traditional methods for effective learning. I have had the privilege of guiding hundreds of students in their Quranic recitation, memorization, tajweed, and other Islamic studies in Urdu, English, and Punjabi, making it easier for the student to learn in the language they are most comfortable with. Besides this, I also provide a professional training to the teacher of the Holy Quran to enhance their skills and teaching methodologies. My teaching style is flexible, friendly, and focused on individual student learning needs. Whether just you are beginning your Quranic journey or looking to enhance or improve your tajweed and memorization, then what are you waiting for? Book a trial lesson now and experience the difference with a dedicated teacher. Let's listen my Quran recitation. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم تبارك الذي بيده الملك وهو على كل شيء قدير الذي خلق الموت والحياة ليبلوكم أيكم أحسن عملا وهو العزيز الغفور